I am in desperate need of some new measuring cups, and these ones here were sent for my review. So let's go ahead and open them up and check them out. I believe this is the stainless steel oh yes, it is. I love good stainless steel measuring cups. The ones I currently have right now are plastic, and I just feel like they are kind of all falling apart. So this one, of course, is all the standard cups you would assume. We've got the 1/4 cup, we've got a third, we've got half a cup here. We have 3/4, and then of course we have 1 cup, and it does also come with this little like metal piece right here, kind of like a little carabiner. We can open that up and you can attach all of these on there if you want to. And then inside here, I do like that they have the measurements on the outside. I said inside because at first I saw it here, but obviously you have it right here, which is super nice. But yeah, really heavy duty and not too heavy, which is really nice for stainless steel. So if you are looking for some new measuring cups, highly recommend.